Dunzomo wato.
Wonder,
Yes, so the messenger is back. A messenger like me. Yes, I'm here with my brother, my friend. Eddie Wonder, please invite your friends. Today, my topic today from best to best. Please invite your friends. As you enjoy this music from my lovely brother, Eddie Wonder. If you want to understand just thank you, Mama. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Please invite your friends. The messenger is back again with my friend Eddie Wonder. And I know whenever they do like if you understand the meaning of yes, so it's a good evening. Good evening, my brother. God bless you. Please invite your friends. We are going to talk about my topic now. From best to best. If you want to understand the meaning of our go where you come. Please invite your friends. If you want to understand the meaning of that, yes, Baba Iyobo, I see you. Iyobo, one of Paris. I greet you, Baba. I greet you. Yeah. Baba Iyobo, the one that they greet you. Yes, I don't carry and come my house today. If you understand the meaning of Fafa Uria, you go tap your Google. Because now two Fafa Uria will be see. Today we day together. I will not agree with Fabio. And the first time when they come my house, you did my studio. One day me still call your studio.
Yes, very
important. And so I will be a musician. If you want to understand the meaning of you go tap your Google. Yes,
everything about the messenger is Google.
Yes, now Google. Everything. Not they say nothing when Google not they carry, and they forget saying a person write Google. I remember when they go meet that time. I will a bit how am I going to be? Yes, my topic today now from best to best, and want to talk about. Now, no say my platform and to make people happy. Give message. One message day. If yes, I don't see my mommy Tina Azai. I greet you, mommy. Yes, you say, Omoefe, good evening. Good evening, mommy. Now me greet you, pals. UK now, mama. UK, mommy. I don't forget you. I call Kado Kade. Yes, from best to best. Now I want to talk about today from best to best. Now go understand when the time comes. Please invite your friends. Invite your friends. Before we go, may I play Greg, Mrs. Greg. May I play the new latest when you play now. Make I plan so that now to invite people before we enter the main topic. My brother, get anything when you want. Greet the house now. Greet your people. Greet
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In case you are seeing me for the first time, this is your personal boy, the one that popularly known as No Music. So it's my pleasure to see you guys today. So I'm happy to be with the messenger himself. That is my great superstar, the king of Edo music.
Wato.
Iyobo, Adazoki Baba, Omyoboya Woloho.
Yes, Baba Iyobo, I see you. Now me and my brother dey and I just talk and just now. What you say they call me?
Hey, the king of Edo music. Omagba River.
Wato.
No te wa Agba River. Omati le Libya la wa.
You.
Owa River ni. Odena hui. Coronavirus. How till we try corona die. Mini a year ma when like.
If no one understand the meaning of the Edo when they speak, now tap on a Google. Now tap on a Google. Yes, if now they see me for the first time, I mean be Omoefe the king, aka the messenger, the king of birthday wishes. Now I mean they talk, and if you see somebody carry your matter on my table, you go know see the person love you well. And because Kaki-san had a lawyer. If you want to understand the meaning of Kaki-san, you go tap your Google. Some people, you know, see some people ain't like in your head.
Yeah,
for instance, person like Mock News. Now, see, before Mock News go even post your picture now, you go first do like this. You know, say, Kaki-san had a lawyer. But man, you do na. Man, one neck make be kaka. Hey. A woman power team, I 20 almost 10,000 one here in Nigeria. My brother, I got converted euro. When are you get Nigeria euro? We have go do me 50 euro the year. Please make we support ourselves. Make we let our team dey hear us. If you understand the meaning of Girima Jema, you tap your Google. Just Mommy Clara, that is Mrs. Ojarara. I don't see you from my window. I don't see you from my window. Yes, Pretty Bella, I see you. May God bless you. Thank you for watching. Please invite your friends.
Yes, so we have a lot to present today.
Yes. So before we start, blessing Greg, that is Tina Azai daughter, and I know that woman. Tina Azai went to UK, aka Madam Enjoy Yourself. I don't see my sister Stella Samuel. Sister, I know I miss you for the last live program when I do. But I say, we still don't talk, see then we don't talk, and God bless you. I know see they always sit down, they watch my program. As you sit down, now they watch my program, and see God they watch over my life. Make enemy no near on in Jesus' name. Just before we enter the main topic, may this sister play for us. The girl they sing well na Tina Azai daughter, aka Madam Enjoy Yourself. And mommy, and the food when you buy for my motor, the food don't dry. Your pikin they hungry. Forget this bling bling when I put for body. Now bling bling oh. Forget the bling bling. Some people say person don't get money, not the person like Dangote. Our papa when they do what do they call him? Isama. They still they who they call me. Don't call me for now. I cannot pick any call. Please, I'm sorry. They still they need gift. They need gift from people. Yes, Mommy Clara, I see you. Ojarara. May God bless you, Mommy. Good evening. Good evening. Yes, Mommy Clara, they greet everybody for us. You see, good evening. So my sister, Mrs. Greg, make you play that music before the one that will talk small thing. We'll come enter the main topic. We know how they do now. Please invite your friends. Invite your friends. Now this one be Greg when they sing so. Now Tina Azai daughter. That's so. Maniere.
Agabio manie gbeko. Ogogodo padà yé. Iye gbeku wa de.
Please invite your friends. Invite your friends. Make sure that the wonder no music, no life. We are here today. I know say you are watching. I know say they watch you. Now your daughter they sing so. Okay now.
Blessing of us in one. You're ready to get my very. Already to twin your man. The royal family Mayoka. Having your Miami and the way.
I don't miss you for my program. My brother, I greet you, T-Boy International, one of Spain. T-Boy Spain. Don't take I hope say everything okay. I don't miss I greet you, no more Baba. That is number from one of such again. That's Willie Oracle, my best pastor. Our president, Mama prayer one of Thank you very much, Mrs. Greg. For that music when you play for us. You see, like, moment, we can't thank all of you. Yes, my main topic today, I will not go where you man. And the one that make you greet the house, greet them again, greet them. The Uncle Willie did
that's my superstar, Baba. Kada, Dazoki, Baba. I greet the house is your boy Eddie Wonder, popularly known as No Music, No Life.
Yes.
So as I did time, if I not reach where my superstar they be like say Tifu beg your bow.
Yes.
Or an opportunity now we do agreement. Yeah, we winner by winner. No what the good of you boy Dioni Baba Uda. Win any where you Emily na there with the king of Edo music. All the birthday wishes anyway was Sonia and another deaf, you know. But it's a getting no good anyway, music. Oh, you marry. You want to make them wessing. He made no agreement. Ni we winner by winner. Because I will know or say any bone every year I just go home we because every time new thing Aladia and a new thing I can go away. So Jimmy Baba. So I know Nania. Since we will hear maybe carry a little no on that. Or where a pastor me bring ya to be
a bad boy ya to be.
So
if now understand the meaning of the door on the speak.
So we understand my one ya to go that a beer anyango. Or my woo anyango. So my emmy boy woo. So anyone he read the agreement to off the light now. I beg. I do there so man I didn't anyone na go come no agreement.
Okay, who do you not agreement? You call that agreement.
Ni we win by win.
Well, we here we guitar with bass with drum.
Oh baba ya yi we
okay. You are now good evening. Mona the watch us. Igbona now this kind one. now we define.
Yes.
Musicians make we get unity like this. More get unity. And I say my brother, he come Paris, he find me come. You see, he want come when we not buy winner. If now one understand the meaning of when we not buy winner,
where you tap your go
go tap your go. The work when I go show you.
Okay, no man,
the one normal not good. The one way good for your side. If you understand the meaning of normal, go tap your go. You don't they do say music. Now Nigeria for the pay well. Music not they pay for Europe. If I tell you say since this year I never go one show, you not go believe. You not concern you.
It shocktalize me.
Before you come say the message, I can't they give message. Now where to survive now every day. That's why they turn and say, hey, Kaki son, you lawyer. Yeah, they see you in a comment. Say very good. Thank you very much, Tina Azai and Mama Agbonifo. May God bless you. Now where to survive.
You use and remember me. Get one day, one boy come call me. Say the wonder. He say I beg. He won't come write agreement. May they follow me. He won't. Now say which agreement? He say he won't come learn music. Now say my brother. Now good idea. Now you bring come, but people when you know they don't see party to go. Now you won't call them. Now I say my brother.
You go find another thing.
Just face shorty. Do beggar. If you reach Nigeria, you feel go learn here. No. Not I say I beg. People may know they don't see show to go. How you won't come to learn for instance. So now you, but my own now I must learn for your hand.
You want learn. Thank you very much. Now what you mean? No, now go still teach you. My country people. Now say I say the one that can say one learn work, join work. Now the whole world they look also. Music, as I talk and they come just now, music not they pay for Europe as they pay for Nigeria.
I better me greet my personal master who teach me DJ.
Oh,
that DJ Chop Money.
DJ Chop Money. Yes. If they greet you, your boy now, you want still learn work, join work.
Yes.
After today.
That's how I tell the learner.
Yes.
Now me some people go say, "Do you want all you want?" I dey learn.
If now understand the meaning of the don't want they speak where say I'm gonna tap on a Google. Say for Europe. Make I tell now before we go enter the main topic. Now only two people I want wish happy birthday today. Now my brother come. I know say I know the enter life today. Yesterday work not let me feel enter life because Europe it dey different from Africa. No say I don't use and give message before say not be as we dey look Europe for Nigeria. Not be so it be.
No.
Especially if you be musician, you can't enter Europe. It take only the grace of God for you to follow your career. It's not easy. For Nigeria, when I did Nigeria, or more when I did, more can ask question. When I did Nigeria, I know they fail weekend though, whether rainy season or dry season. I know they fail weekend. But when I enter Europe, I can't see the system. You have to follow up.
A superstar, we will double. My
brother,
superstar.
When me enter Europe, my brother, now I can't tell them say, the money when I just come Nigeria. Now your come table go your food for drink. When they see the money, I want still look for the money. Then they say if they break me, I follow them. My brother now I follow them. As I reach there, they say me I stay for food.
They not give you cap.
Wait. I toro. We borrow no. Why toro? Man the put toro be. I got me here in Nigeria. Iya tell me shoro me na ye shoro ka. But money wa do kieke la wana ana wa do no ne kan. As me then as some people still they call me say that they come Europe. But if I tell them say ben they not come, they don't say who want come make come. My brother now what kadi. You know say this drink they have now never bust now. If now one understand the meaning of the do one this speak. Tina Azai, thank you. Anita, thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, Europe, it too sweet. Now so it take hard.
Yes.
It too sweet. You say you want to learn music. My brother, for saying I teach you music. Number one, just listen to me.
Yes.
Number one for Europe, they know they see where he has.
I can't so if
wait.
2 minutes or
They know they see where he has. It not be like Africa when they carry instrument come outside,
Yeah,
go come they play.
Mm.
That one not day. Number 2, they know they do party for Europe as then they do for Nigeria.
Shock me.
Say every weekend.
Mm.
My brother, if I say me myself, me not even see chance to show you the music.
Ew.
Because if they break,
Shock to life.
I'll go find money when I want to pay my house rent for a year. The one I take it before I come find the one I want to buy clothes. Before it's not easy. My brother,
So what is your advice now?
my advice when I want to give you, my
man,
country people.
Man, go the beg.
No, you not
Sure.
beg. From today,
Mm.
now live video me they do. You they do comedy. Abi,
Yes.
your comedy. Small time, it don't they pay you small small.
The comedy not the pay.
They know they pay.
No.
Why you call they do?
But not just for fun to my fans.
Okay, if comedy not they pay you, they do live video
No,
like this.
me not fit do live video.
You know if you do live video.
No.
So now what I get, my country people, now what I
I
get.
I say can't learn how to do live video. Man, don't do the agreement.
Can't learn. But if you want learn, you see say since when I start my live video.
You know the talk go.
Wait. I'm proud of myself.
Yes.
And my followers, I'm proud of them.
Yes.
I love them where they love me. Because my platform is your sabo. Say person owe you money, you want to tell the messenger. I don't get time.
For you.
If you and your husband quarrel, if maybe couple quarrel, not call me.
Not concern you.
Not concern me.
Okay, Egbe settle on it.
If boyfriend and girlfriend get quarrel, not call the messenger. And every time they talk am.
For you, not concern you.
My own are to make people happy.
They chop money, not concern
Wish
you.
people happy birthday. Time when I take do one free of charge. Even my brother, I want to tell you one secret today. When I start this live video and they beg people, I go right. Please, can I wish you happy birthday? One girl there when I call one day, he said, bros, you know they sleep or go they kill you. He insults me, not be like.
Just to wish a happy birthday.
Meanwhile, because I see what he post, may I beg and say, may I wish this person happy birthday for you. He insult me that morning. That day, now one spirit tell me, say, make you rest for the live video. Let that pain way.
But today,
But I don't care. Now so many people they talk now live video. My own, I know they insult anybody. But if I see person when one pass line, I go still give advice. Now be my own. So I constantly say, my country people, they appreciate me. So you can't they give me joy. That's why they see as I they see people comment, go they give me joy. Thank you, Mama Clara.
You are doing well. You are doing well.
So the reason why I say I dey proud of myself and the wonder. If case you want start live video,
no, I don't want start.
no insult anybody. If case, because me myself, now me I be person when no like live video before, but I can't find myself inside. Like people like Mama Clara, Stella Samuel, and many others like Ajala travel all over the world, all of them.
I was there on that phone. You remove your message and they come down and say maybe get with it.
One tell me, that's why if I don't enter life, I don't feel receive call. Very soon. My superstar DJ Jeff, I see you, Baba. The phone will be they call me, so now we'll take the life. No verse, Baba. I'll call you. Okay, you want to call him?
But internet no.
No, now life will do so. Maybe waiting one terminal na secret. You understand?
But they watch you.
My brother DJ Jeff, I see you. My brother said they tell you now if you want join live video, you see they give advice the way they do them.
I can't next. If I can't live next another life again.
If you call another life, they say that they call another life. Me not believe that one. Life now get part 2.
But for this life, because I don't see people when.
Please share this video. Now me, I'm a superstar.
Because I don't see people when that video don't shoot count for the eye. I don't want to make shoot count. Me not get mad.
Listen, that musician singer say, no way me, never oh. Iyare revie o, ige mi eme.
No be lie.
Uga uyoto, tanya le dohun owe. Ọmọ nekpeta ọ̀nà ìwé mi kọ. If you don't want, make people feel boy your wow, not feel boy for another person.
Great superstar,
yes. Thank you, Mama Clara One. May God bless you. Osarabo, may God bless you. Osas best, thank you. Don Osas, that is superstar. Baba, I say we don't they show love. Musicians smoke with they show love to ourselves. More they show love. And you wonder. Naza get tenari now because time no time to check time.
10 after 10.
The agreement drink when you break come.
But by bless I will take him back.
You take him back.
Because you say I know see where he has. I not go see where there. So what is the need? I'll take my drink back, Baba.
Anion so good John with it. If you want to understand the meaning of the Edo, you tap your Google. So my country people. Yes, man. I don't see my people. Oh, as now they watch our program, so and so God go they watch over on our life.
Do ya bita we Amade Gaza.
My brother, Anyona, where I'm wearing a dream, where Anyona little work ba. Ula, it's for blessing. Efima who kwabi na get all the void and for any Jesus. Yes. When we teach you, my word. Voila. And a blessing. Yes, so now me and my brother they here. The wonder, no music, no joy. What Imayato. No way ni magu. Nyoka gu. No way ni made. Nyoka zebulu kele. No way no region ve maba ni mageri manigi wo ene.
So that we gbera vane. We gbera vane o ọmọ efe. Gbera vane o. A onegin ayate yawe. We gbera vane o. Ekede kianate owu we gade. Gbera vane o. Yes.
Voila. Mona no verso. Na no say this one not to get alcohol.
In case a live video.
It's a live video. Why where a boy man? He was.
Who they live video me now?
My brother. A music you take the band remedy. Mene come where a music imagine na you go be no Nigeria.
Abaya ave ladin in case someone na imam ido tu ma wa.
Stella Samuel, thank you very much, and Mrs. Agmonifo International.
15-year-old Daniel 15-year-old. Baba ga Chelsea.
So let's enter the main topic of the day. Good evening, everyone in the house. If you are seeing me for the first time, now maybe Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger, the King of birthday wishes. I get my brother here when he sit down with me. In name now, the Wonder, no music, no life. Mona they support us. Mona still they subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's not easy, and we try to do everything to make sure say we succeed for life. It's not easy. And the one that they do comedy, they do everything. Now wait to survive. Me when they do live video, they wish people happy birthday. Now wait to survive. I still they play music. Oh while they marry people when Ije. My single go come out next month, month end the year, and they go studio. We bonire. Ojemena ade wa here. Ojemena ade, but no when you get muso. Wa here Olajane. So let's go to the main topic of the day. Yes, my program is to make people happy. Give message. Yes, Adolf O Entertainment. Baba, I greet you, Baba. So my main topic today now from best to best. From best to best. Now, see, say today, we can see we get problem with our friends. Person go say he get secret. He don't want to make anybody hear. This one a secret. He go call the best friend. You say, you know you are my best friend. You just get one thing you do. Na so the thing can't do like this. Na so the thing can't do like this. I beg not tell anybody. Now only you I just tell. From best to best. Now, your best friend when you go talk to, he constantly go meet his best friend. Constantly tell and say, see what my best friend tell me. I beg not tell anybody. Now let me when I just tell. The matter don't go from one personal 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Before you know, and now when the baba home, he parle baba and then do If you understand the meaning of the Edo, you go tap your Google. The reason why I bring this topic today, some men, ikbia, or you what to say, lewe bunu me wajina. Now men come they gossip. They even come gossip past women self. Some people there, some of your friends there, for you to do something for a present, you just go what market Adeba? Chateau Rouge. Just go Chateau Rouge market or you go Ekiobami go Benin. You just go Napoli. Just go do it for that Napoli market for where they sell corn. Make the whole world just see them. Men, now men be get secrets. Nowadays, from best to best. You do something for your friend present now. Before you know, who de Lyon, who de Italy, you don't know what you do for Paris, for Issa house. Man, from best to best. Yes, Ovios are nice. I see you. Now no say more than no verse. If I they give my message like this, I know the two read comments, me know they distract me. More than no verse, more than no verse. Please, men, I want to talk to men today because we know say that from best to best. Now matter till the waka. If you know say you be man, if you want to understand the meaning of Aonoruwegbe, you go tap your Google. Don't be lie. You go tell your friend something, say, I beg, now only you want to tell this matter. Before you know, person when they Nigeria don't call you. Men, make una dey get wetin oyibo dey call reserve. But the one wey na eye see, but the one wey na eye no see, now go dey talk. Please, this message, if it concern you, don't follow me quarrel. We no say we musicians will be like prophets. The message, me no even know where the message for the times. Somebody call me say the messenger, all those messages when they give, use until they do album, not just do live video again. I say the live video when me they do, me no know as I take enter. Maybe not God send me come here. Not be me send myself. That's why I'm proud of myself. For the past 4 months when I don't do live video, I never receive any insult. And they make people happy. So if you be man, not be everything when you hear, or not be everything when your eyes see, now you go to talk. From best to best. Amen. So I told you, and I don't hear no dogma. I don't wear is an apology or an unknown or ision. Because the light not too big, go say not be me. Some go even go chailala. I chailala ne aqua squeeza go quack with mommy water. Ya my way in near you know tano. If you understand the meaning of that Edo, tap your Google. Your Google go tell you. Go tell you. Get wetin that they call Aonoruwegbe. Because when that man go thief One man go farm, as they come meet a rabbit.
Yeah.
No big get the trap.
Because something not the house.
Because hunger there. Now he carry the rabbit. Now they say don't thief rabbit. You don't thief rabbit. Now one old man they come. Now the man come carry the bag. What did happen? They say this man don't thief rabbit. Now the man go meet the elderly person say, Oga, I know she be elderly man.